Good afternoon. Hello to all my students from the first year. In this video, I will real quickly go over all the things that you can find in Smartschool and why you may want to use them. So here we go. This is the page of Smartschool. And I just clicked on courses. And then if it's loading, I went to English 1 ASO, which is our course. I click on that. And then I will go to the same page. Here we go. There you go. So first page where I post important messages. For example, this message here was about your English workbook and what you should bring to class. More importantly is the documents. If I click on documents, you will see loads of things, which basic instructions, basic verbs, you can all read it. So if, for example, if I click on grammar, at the moment we're working on the verb to be. In the future, you will see that these topics, articles a and an, or that there is and there are, will also become a topic, and then you can click on them, for example, to practice. So if I click on tool, you see there's a PowerPoint here, there's a worksheet, there's exercises, all kinds of different stuff which you might want to use. Okay, so that's all the stuff you can find in documents. The next thing I mainly use is the web links. If I click on that, you will see pretty much the same thing. Also, that brings you to loads of different sorts of exercises. So there's listening skills if you want to practice listening, reading if you want to practice your reading. There's again grammar. There's an online dictionary, vocabulary, and grammar exercises. So for example, if I click on grammar again, to quickly show you this, and just rewatch this video here if you forgot or if it went too fast. So at the moment, there's not much here, only to be and I've got, because that's all we're kind of doing right now. If I click on that, you'll see some web links. For example, here, verbs to be and have got. And if I will click on one of them, it brings you automatically to a web page where you can find exercises again. Okay, so Smartschool is like a big base filled with exercises that you may want to use. For example, this one here is something you may want to try. Right, it's full of exercises. What you can only use here is exercises, where you can find my tests. But again, there's also exercises on grammar, on vocabulary, and there's some other stuff here which you may want to check out yourself. You can just open it and see what it has, what's included, and if you may want to try that out if we've gotten to the point in class. Okay, so really important, don't start opening up any folders about stuff that we've not talked about in class, because that stuff you don't need to know. But normally all the stuff we've done doing in class is available. All right, that's it, guys. I hope you can use this video to your good, and it kind of shows you the main important things on Smartschool and where you can find exercises to make and to help you with your English. Have a nice day, guys, and good luck with your English, and see you all soon.